Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is 2nd of January. I went out a wee walk just round about Lanark Loch, as you'll see in the title. Just a couple of pictures, sunset. I was aiming for sunset but it didn't work out the way I was hoping. So this is just a wee quick video this beginning of the year, and Happy New Year by the way. So this year my only plan is to shoot some film, a lot of film. So I've got 3 rolls to get through the room and I'm going to try and get more of that done. So this, as I say, is just a quick video. I'm going to do a wee edit in one of the images and I'll talk you through that. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. So I took a quick visit to Lanark Loch the night the sun's going down. See if I can get some shots. Just get a couple, not much. So I'll turn you around a bit. Wait a minute, here we go. Took this shot here. I'm going to stack that because a wee bit of cloud just creeped in. So here's the edit. So I'll pop it on screen, or I'll pop myself on screen. I'm in Lightroom. I'll go to import. Look at the date, 2nd of the 1st, 2025. And quick look at the images. We'll scroll up through the images. Pick a couple, because I only took a few, so there's not much. So uncheck all and click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll stick to the 5. Go to import. We'll develop, click develop, and they all come up. And the first thing we need to do really is change the Adobe colour. So once we click them all, click Adobe Landscape, and it changes the colour slightly. Now a couple of wee bits to edit. I'll go right down the bottom, I'll go this blue primary, the saturation, put it up to 15, back up the top. And we'll just dehaste slightly, +8. Back to the images, unclick the images, go to the last image because I know it was quite dark in the shadows. Change the Adobe Landscape and change the rest of them because obviously it hasn't changed for some reason. So we'll just change them all as we do. Adobe Landscape. So I'm back to the end one. So this image needs a wee bit brightening up in the shadows. So we'll click here and we'll go for a linear gradient from the bottom. Pull it up, go to exposure, bring the exposure up and the shadow slightly. No, there we go. Shadow exposure up, 46. Put a temperature in it. It's okay there. 20, 21. Back to normal. So now we'll dehaste slightly. As you can see, just subtle changes. We'll click on the next image down, see how that looks. Next one. There's dust spots, as you can see, I'll need to remove, but I'll remove them in Photoshop. Next one, this one, the exposure needs to come down a bit, in line with the rest of the images. About -50. Looks okay. Image, it's a bit wonky, but exposure down slightly. That's the, I'll just select them all. I'll edit in, open the layers in Photoshop. This is where the magic happens. So while they're opening up, as you can see, them open out, so we'll just click them all, select, holding in the command obviously, go to edit, auto align layers. I'm not putting any big netting or distortion in, so we'll just click OK that. There we go, a wonky donkey. Now we'll go to edit, and we will auto blend the layers. seamless tones and colours only. No generative fill, because generative fill we don't want. We want to keep an image as real as possible. It looks okay at that. So, edit, layer merge visible, and that looks fine. The bird's in the image. Then we'll go to crop. I'm lining it here to keep the full image because I don't want any generative fill in it at all. I'm going to bring it in up slightly, I think. It's quite a wide image, about there, roughly, about there. That should be fine. Image, crop. That looks okay. Select, deselect. Now, the bird looks fine there. So we'll zoom in and we'll try and find any dust spots. I knew there was some, but I think I've cropped that part off. We just need to zoom around about the image, have a quick look. There's 1, 2, there's 2 there. So we'll just get rid of them. That's doing fine. We'll get rid of that one. There's a bird there, a wee bird that just looks like a wee spot, so we'll get rid of that. That line there, as you can see, it looks terrible, so I'm going to leave that. Edit, undo. Vapour trails. That's another story. That looks fine, that. We'll go to the sponge tool, and we'll go to saturate. The saturation up to 18, we'll try that. Just saturate this in so it blends in a wee bit more because it was lightened right up. Saturate straight across the middle there. And a wee across the top. That's fine. So now we'll go back here, take our dodge tool, and we'll just dodge wee bits in here again, bring it back out. Looks okay at that. I'm happy with that. Yep. It's not too bad, it's just an image. It's going to save a copy. So, save a JPEG. Save in Lanark Loch sunset. Save. Yeah, we've got one there already, but this is the other image that I'm going to show you how I've done it. So, save that one. Save it at 11. That's me. Done. We'll close that. And we don't save because we're not saving it in Lightroom. We don't want to do that. Hope that was useful. You walk through the trees. So it's pretty cold today. There's a bit of frost on the ground. Some nice views here, but the sun's went down now, so. Nice shot there. Hi guys, I just said hi guys, I didn't mean to say hi guys. Stop recording. Stop recording!